everybody, Nico here, Phillips Chevrolet with one of our great repeat customers. Sharon, congratulations again. She's a sweetheart. She bought a brand new 2017 Chevy Malibu. I'm so happy for you. How did we do today?
We did real good. I'm real happy. I'm glad I was able to come back and be a repeat offender, so to speak. And I'm really happy with my new Chevy Malibu.
Beautiful, beautiful car. Fall gray metallic, one of my new favorite colors. Great repeat customer, and that's why we're #1 guys, is people like this. So congrats, sweetheart. Come visit me here at Phillips Chevrolet.
#1.